Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the CROSSVOLT J3605 4-power socket. This is a 4-point power surge with 4 USB ports as well, as you can see on the image right over here. Over here it's written it's an international standard plug. It comes with child security door, 850 degrees Celsius anti-flaming technology, and also has 4 universal outlets. Once again, there's an image of the power surge right over here. And do we have anything more? Over here it's written maintain data integrity, stable power supply, power filtration reduces interference to keep your system running at optimal performance. Okay, it also comes with a 2-meter heavy duty power cord. It helps ensure optimal power flow to connected devices. Simultaneously helps to protect multiple electronic devices while accommodating large adapters. Protects up to 4 devices against spikes, fluctuations and electromagnetic interference. And that's more or less it. Let's open this box and show you what this particular power surge looks like. So this is the J3605 4-power socket from CROSSVOLT. Notice that there are 4 3-pin sockets over here. These are universal sockets. You can use them anywhere. This is the reset and the power on off button over here. And over here you have 4 USB-A ports as well. This comes with a white and grey color scheme. At the back you will notice there is a groove over here. This is for when you want to mount it on a wall, so this is a great addition. Finally, let's take a look at the cable. This is a very thick PVC cable. This is a 0.75 millimeter square cable. This is 2 meters in length, by the way. This is quite long. Let me just show you. There you go. This is 2 meters in length, and at the end there is a 3-pin 15 ampere plug point. This is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the CROSSVOLT J3605 4-power socket. Thank you for watching.